Honey, I swear I wasn't wasting time at work. So, what exactly is this? Well, this is what people call touching a koi fish, which is basically a symbol of good fortune and bringing some extra luck your way. In the past, stock market investors were busy losing money, but now they can simply touch a koi fish, check the market on the top screen, and hopefully collect some good luck from the bottom screen.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mikey from Tech Mikey. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
And if you think that's already pretty interesting, well, it can actually do this too. Oh brothers, Huawei's foldable computer. Honestly, you really need to experience this thing in person to understand the kind of visual impact it creates. It's one of those products that's difficult to fully describe until you actually see it yourself. Alright, the device I have with me here is Huawei's second-generation HarmonyOS foldable computer, the new generation Huawei MateBook Fold. And let me tell you, this is the world's first 18-inch handwritten foldable computer. The Pencil 3 supports two different modes. Of course, you can use it for normal handwriting and global annotations for drawing, but it also comes with a blank number mode. And check this out, the HDR high brightness brush can make the Huawei MateBook Fold's extraordinary master mode instantly look like a giant light bulb. But that's definitely not where its capabilities end. Since Huawei has included a stylus, proper drawing functionality is naturally a must. Apart from turning this massive 18-inch display into a giant digital drawing board, it also supports split-screen functionality, making it much easier to keep a reference image on one side while copying or creating on the other. And features such as the music player will also be deeply integrated into the overall experience. Moving forward, the software ecosystem is also set to take a major step up. As the world's first 18-inch double-layer LED foldable screen, it uses the world's largest UTG glass. This gives the display improved resistance to impacts and everyday wear and tear. So even if you spend a long time writing with the stylus, you won't have to worry about obvious indentations or wear marks appearing on the screen. Thanks to a range of advanced technologies, Huawei has also focused heavily on screen stability and hinge reliability, putting both at the forefront of the design. And honestly, this is already the second product of its kind. There simply isn't another product quite like it on the market right now, which says a lot about its uniqueness, value, and overall capabilities. The new model also carries forward the integrated design language of its predecessor, including that seamless closing experience. But Huawei has added something particularly interesting this time, a hidden stand hinge that is an industry first. It supports stepless hovering between 100 and 120 degrees, meaning you can position the screen at different angles without needing any additional support. And when you combine that with the included keyboard, you can basically enjoy that enormous 18-inch display wherever you are. Huawei has also introduced a brand new flowing gold color option. The finish is inspired by the softly scattered light of dawn, creating layers of flowing reflections and refractions that change depending on the viewing angle. The result is a color that combines elegance with a very premium and prestigious feel. I can only say one thing. Not every manufacturer knows how to use gold properly, but Huawei has really managed to make this one work. And finally, when it comes to the configuration, the Huawei MateBook Fold Master Edition continues to deliver flagship-level hardware, while also bringing a comprehensive approach to AI and interactive features. If you're interested in this new foldable computer, definitely keep an eye out for the upcoming launch event, because there are still plenty of surprises waiting to be revealed. Once the product officially launches, I'll also be bringing you a detailed review, so make sure you stay connected with the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!